Early morning farm chores. The pigs are right there waiting. Good morning, piggies. Good morning. Are you hungry? Bring me your bowl. Bring me your bowl. Are you gonna let me open this? Hold on. Hold on, one more. All right, let me in. Let me in. Thank you. Come on. Hi, guys. You're next. Hold on, hold on. You didn't even want to let me get it in the bowl, huh? Look at that. You made me spill some of it. There you go, piggies. Lainey, is your breakfast good? What, you come over to say hi? Honey's over there eating next to the pigs. How you doing, Pimper? How's your breakfast? Is that good? Sorry, am I interrupting you? You don't want to eat on camera? Are you being shy? Is it because you're terribly messy? Hi, honey. Hi, girl. Nope. Sorry, Pim. You already got your food. All right. Morning chores are done. Chickens I fed earlier. Oh, I just have to go in the basement and check on our chicks that we have in the incubator down there. But otherwise, chickens are already making their way over to try to get some scraps from the pigs. I guess I didn't really get a whole lot of that feeding on camera, huh? It was much easier to put my phone in my pocket than try to do it and record at the same time. My bad. Y'all, I probably don't even need my tree stand anymore when I've got that mess that I could just go chill in, right? Because that's where the deer live. Come on, Pimper. Come on, dinosaur. Okay, fine. Never mind. Oh. Doodle. Oh, he got one. Nope. Almost. Nice try, bud. Is this what you guys come out here to do? To hide from him? Doodle, they're going to make it hard for you. They've got all these places to hide. I just got a Ring doorbell notification, and which means that my daughter is finally awake. She normally does the feedings in the morning, and I let her sleep in this morning, and I came out and fed everyone, and she's just now getting up like an hour and a half late. So let me tell her that I already did it. Michaela, what are you doing? I already fed everybody. Oh, thank you. What was that?
I didn't turn my ringer back on.
Oh, sorry, I woke up late, Mom. Coffee's made. Go enjoy your coffee. Y'all, our hay is actually outside of where our cow is right now. Our cow used to be way over there in a pasture, but our fence went down, and so while we fixed the fence, the electric fence, he's currently over here, and that thing is too big, too heavy to lift over the fence. So it's out here, and we use a pitchfork to pull a bunch off and give it to him. He's got a big mountain over there that we refill throughout the day. So that's kind of a pain right now, but oh well. homesteading is all about doing what you can with what you got when you got to do it. So there's that for now. What are you doing in there? Hi, my dinosaur. Hi. You're so handsome. This is probably one of my favorite parts of our property because we haven't come in here and cleaned anything up or cut anything down, and it's just a big old jungle, and I love it. My kids come out here, kind of explore. I like coming out here and exploring, and our property actually goes quite a bit further back, so I'm not sure exactly what we are going to do with all this space. All right, now I'm going in to enjoy my second cup of coffee. Anyways, you guys all have a great day. Bye.